Mountain Lion in the Rain, El Moro Elfin Forest, January 21st, 2024. The big male mountain lion left El Moro Elfin Forest at 4:30 a.m. A video story using 4 trail cameras. Here's the mountain lion. Same mountain lion, same time through another camera. The light goes on the third camera. And here's the mountain lion emerging through the bushes. Mountain lion looked for raccoons in the rain at 5:30 a.m. You can see the raindrops falling and the foggy nature of the picture. On the other side, mountain lion is in the rain. Mountain lion returned to El Moro Elfin Forest at daybreak. This was unusual. So here you can see it's dawning. The mountain lion is in morning light. Through the bushes, emerging on the other side, you can see the little house in the background. And through the third camera, same mountain lion, same time. Mountain Lion in the Rain, El Moro Elfin Forest, January 21st, 2024, an animal video by Skip Rotstein, the end.